Hello and welcome. I am the creator of a game called Money Dash.
In this video, I will show you how to use coroutines and why you need them. In this scene, we have just an animated sprite to test the game flow. Now, to begin our tests, let's create a new game object to contain our test script. First, we will create a tough code and try to run it in the main game flow. Now, let's put an UI button to activate our tough function manually. In this test, we saw a little pause in the waterfall flow, but our task was not tough enough. Let's make it a little harder to complete. Now, in this second test, we can see our waterfall stopped completely. Even my Unity editor crashed, and also will your game.
To fix this, let's put our code in a coroutine. The coroutines do not run in a different worker of our processor, but they allows to run out tough code at the same time as our main game flow without interrupt our main thread. Let's test our new coroutine. As we can see, our waterfall moved without stop, and at the same time, we are receiving the results of our tough task in our console.
If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.